Peace be unto you, family. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. We'll answer all of your questions, concerns, and comments. Now, today is a beautiful day outside, so I just decided to take a stroll. But I want to answer a question from one of our credit healing customers who left a comment under my video named Tim Toolman. And he simply asked a question. He said, well, I have this AT&T account, and this AT&T account went to collections. And so the collection account basically says that the original creditor is AT&T. So should I dispute both accounts, or should I just dispute one account? Now, the answer to that question is, if the collection account is only showing as being one account and is not separated by two different account numbers, then you would only dispute the collection account and put the account number in the dispute letters. So basically, you only dispute the one account that's being shown, which is the collection account. You will not dispute the AT&T account if it's not showing up as a separate account. You only do it if it's showing up as one account, and you will see where it says AT&T, the original creditor. So that's the answer to that question. So basically, you only dispute one if it's showing up as one account. You won't put AT&T as the other account. Okay? So I hope that I was able to answer your questions. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me. I'm going to be making more videos based on your questions. So feel free to contact me, reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here. I want to help you. I want you to succeed, and I want you to be great. All right, family? So you all have a good day. Be blessed, and get those derogatory items removed. Peace.